Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today we're making homemade sugar-free hot chocolate. It's a quick, easy recipe. I just got home, it's cold outside, and I want some hot chocolate, but I don't need all the sugar. So we're gonna make a sugar-free version of hot chocolate. So I thought I'd share this recipe with y'all. Let's get started. Okay y'all, this is what you're gonna need for your sugar-free hot chocolate mix. This is what we're going to be using: a box of chocolate, sugar-free pudding mix, some cocoa, a sugar substitute of your choice. I'm going to use coffee creamer just because it's going to make it have a more creamier, rich taste to it, and some powdered milk. This right here is just going to be a quick video. I just got home from work. It's cold here, and I want some hot chocolate, but I don't want a lot of sugar in it. So I'm gonna make this sugar-free version, sort of like how we done our French vanilla. But we're gonna add coffee creamer to this one. We're gonna use 1.5 cups of powdered milk. Something to help get it out of there. It's packed in there. I want a cup of hot chocolate while I'm cooking supper. So I thought I'd throw this together real quick, but I wanted to share the video too with y'all. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of this original coffee creamer. And I know some of y'all probably don't want to use this because it's not probably as good for you. But I'm going to use it just to see how it turns out. I seen a lady make some with it, and hers looks so rich and creamy, so I'm going to give it a try. So now we're going to add 1.5 cups of the coffee creamer. And we're going to look and see. You can see right there, there's no sugar in this either. 10 calories, 1 carb, 0 sugar. And now to that, we're going to add our 1 box of our chocolate pudding mix, and it's sugar-free. And if you've ever went over there and looked for sugar-free hot chocolate in boxes in the little packets, I don't think they have it. I may be wrong, but if y'all have ever bought some, comment down below. And now to that, we're going to add just around probably 1/4 cup of cocoa. Because you already have the taste of the chocolate from your pudding mix. And now this right here is my sugar substitute that I'm using. Now if you don't mind not trying to stay sugar-free, you could use your regular white sugar. But this one right here is I believe they call it Pure Brand. It's a sugar substitute. And I'm going to add just 1/2 cup of this. Not even quite 1/2 cup. Just use your own judgment on how sweet you want yours. And now we're just going to give that a mix. But now if you like hot chocolate, and you're trying to not take so much sugar in, you could use this in replace of the regular hot chocolate mix. And this right here would make good gifts too. You could put them in little mason jars and measure it out and put you some little tiny miniature marshmallows in your jar and give somebody a little jar of sugar-free hot chocolate for Christmas. Okay, we've got it pretty much blended up. Now your cocoa, if you was to see any clumps, you could use a whisk, but it looks pretty good to me. Okay, once you have your mix made, how you'll do it is warm you up either a cup of water or 1 cup of milk. If you wanted to use whole milk, you could, but you've already got your creamer and your powder milk. So I'm going to try just plain hot water and see how it turns out and how it tastes. Hey, we've heated our water up. Now we're going to put some of the hot chocolate in it and see how it turns out. I'm going to start by adding 2 big tablespoons of the mix. Okay, we'll just take 2 tablespoons of our powder mix that we just made, and we're going to put in our hot chocolate, in our water that we're going to make hot chocolate with. Okay. Well, that looks good. I think I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon. But can you see how rich and creamy that looks? I think using that coffee creamer is going to give it a little bit of more of a cream taste than using just the plain milk. Look how pretty and creamy that is. We're fixing to have us a cup of hot chocolate. And I won't feel as guilty because it's sugar-free. This right here tastes delicious. If y'all want to give it a try, you better make 2 batches because you're going to need it, especially on these cold afternoons we're having. Even add you some little marshmallows to this. So, I hope y'all give it a try. It's delicious. Okay, y'all, I hope you enjoy our video on how we made our sugar-free homemade hot chocolate. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.